Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, then hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys some of my plans. Hopefully this hopefully this video will be a plant room like makeover setup video, but I'm going to have to do it in clips. It's going to take weeks to do, so this video is probably not going to be up for a while, but that's what this is going to be. I'm going to redo this plant room. I will show you guys the current state of it. I haven't cleaned up because there's just so much to do, but I'm going to share with you guys the state of it right now and tell you guys what my plans are. A lot of things I want from Ikea are out of stock for like my ideas for this place, so I'm gonna have to come up with another solution. I'll probably ask you guys on Instagram if you have any ideas or anything like that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely make sure you do. I'll post it right over here so you guys can go follow me, and I do post a lot on there. So anyways, this is going to be a big project, but let me share with you guys kind of like my ideas. I'm gonna flip the camera around. All right, so this room, I basically just have one window for natural light. It actually, I don't know if you guys could tell, but it brightens up the space pretty good. I do have a grow light in my ceiling fan, which I want to get a new ceiling fan, just something maybe with more lights, or possibly hang it a little bit lower so that, I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but this ceiling fan is gross and old and needs to go. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if I could just spray paint it. Like maybe do the fan parts like matte black and put that little like bronze part, make it gold. That could look really freaking cool. Do you guys think I should do that? It sounds so cool. I think I could do that myself. So that's an idea. Now I literally just had that. So it's pretty much gonna stay the same. The setup here, I have like 2 Ikea plant shelves. That's pretty much going to stay the same on either side of this window. They all have grow lights, so I don't necessarily need to change that too much. But I do kind of want to figure out something here in the middle. Like I could put a whole shelf here just so I could fit in more plants, because right now I really don't have anything. I have this planter with my mother plant, my begonia Sinbad. It's huge. I kind of want to put that out into my living room. So I'll definitely move that into my living room and put some sort of shelf here. Maybe nothing too tall, maybe like halfway, just so I can still get light in. And then over here I have my propagation boxes. I don't really have another place for them, so they're probably going to stay there. Here I have my mess of a desk that I'm going to definitely have to clean up and organize. So my plan. Up here, I want to obviously paint this wall. I'm pretty sure I just want to do white. I don't know if I want to do an accent color. If I do an accent color, it's probably going to be this wall on the side of the window. I may do like a dark green, but this wall is definitely going to be white. And then I want to get like the long Ikea shelves. Actually, I have it pulled up right here because I was just looking at it. But of course it's sold out. So this is the shelf I want. It's so beautiful and like simple and modern and just classic. However, it's out of stock, as everything is. Let me actually see if it's at any other store. No, it's out of stock everywhere. So, but I was thinking to get a bunch of them and just line them along this wall, possibly 3. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could fit 3. I will move this shelf into my dining room because I have a bare wall over there anyways. Over here I have my Ikea cabinet, not Ikea cabinet, but like my dupe, my Ikea cabinet dupe, since that's out of stock. I'm thinking to move that over here. I don't know if it's, I think it's too wide, but I'm gonna have to figure something out, or maybe put it on a table just to raise it a little. I don't know, I haven't quite decided on this yet. I want to get rid of this completely. This is all like extra storage containers, some rehab plants, and then like pots and stuff. I could definitely move this into the closet, so that's not going to be here. And I do have like a little bit of a bump out here, so I was thinking, should I do shelves here as well? So kind of like carry it, it'll be like all this will be shelving. I'll give you guys like a backup view. I think that could look really cool, but then again, it would be cool if nothing's on here, because you kind of walk into the door and you don't want to hit a plant, because I kind of sometimes hit that shelf right there. So I may leave this bare. Not 100% sure yet, but this wall, I definitely just wanted to look like a jungle in here. So shelves with plants. And then over here, I have some plants that I have for sale on the shop. It's actually looking pretty bare right now just because I've sold a lot and I'm trying not to, look at this mess on the floor. It's dirt. I'm trying not to like buy too much right now because people aren't really buying a lot of plants in the winter, so I'm just focusing on propagation, as you could tell by like all those boxes right there. So focusing on that. This is probably just gonna get cleaned up. I can possibly squeeze in another one by moving this couch over a little bit and have two of them, or like buy the double one and put it here, just to really utilize the space, especially in spring and summer. I'm gonna have a ton. I love this look right here. It kind of sucks because the planter boxes are really small, so I can't like hang huge plants. So it kind of looks a little bit weird to me, but I think I'm gonna leave it, paint this wall white. I might add some trim here in the middle just to give it some sort of depth and dimension. I love this couch. I got it off of Wayfair, in case you guys are curious. I use this room as a guest bedroom for when people visit. So this is a futon. It opens into a bed. Super comfortable, super nice. I have this little table right here that I got at Ikea. I want to get like a proper nightstand with dressers for guests mainly, not necessarily like it's not going to be useful for me, my space here for the plants, but I do want to get that for guests just to make it look a little bit nicer. So I'm on the hunt for a nightstand. Gotta paint. I could honestly do that this weekend, so that's probably going to happen very soon. Then I need to figure out some sort of shelving since I can't get the Ikea ones, which I really want. They're so nice. I'm going to try to find something else, possibly look on Amazon. Clean up this area. I could probably fit some plants up here. I'm just not too sure on lighting, so it's gonna have to be something that's not like, doesn't necessarily need a lot of lighting, but I want to start utilizing that space because it's just bare. But yeah, so that's my plans for this room. I do really want to figure out a situation for this. So if you guys have any ideas, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Could possibly stack it at the bottom of these shelves and move these plants to like another shelf. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want a full tour when it's done, definitely let me know. But let's probably get started on paint. That'll be the next clip. I will do that this weekend. So next time you see me, we will be painting these walls white. Guys, so I know I said next time you'd see me, I will be painting this room, but it's actually done already. I'm sorry. I'm literally the worst. I always have the intention to film while I'm like painting and stuff, but I get so into it and I just can't bear to pull out my camera and set it up and the tripod and do all that. So I always just do it on a whim, and I usually don't even plan it too well. So it is done already, but I'm gonna share with you guys exactly how it turned out because I really like how it turned out. So without further ado, let me show you guys the plant room. So this is the more boring side. I just painted the walls white and I do think it looks so much better. It's just a lot brighter in here, and the grow lights actually bounce off the white walls and will give the plants even more light than they originally had. I do want to put something on this wall here, but I wanted to post this video first before I do, just so I can get some of your opinions. I really love the like minimalist look, so I don't want anything too crazy. I was thinking of maybe adding one long shelf and put plants on it, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Also, it would have to be kind of high up because this is a futon and people will sleep on it. And just in case they like get up on it and sit up or something or stand up, I don't want them to hit their head on anything on the wall. So do keep that in mind. I'm not sure really what to put up there. I could put back what I had. Then I just have the Vitstro Ikea shelves here with the plants on them. It's going to be very hard to see because it's backlit. But I was planning to paint this wall like green and do like an accent wall. However, I realized that that would darken up the plants and like the grow lights wouldn't be able to bounce off the green and provide too much more light for the plants. So I didn't end up going with that, and I just have it white back there. But let me show you guys the fun part. So dun dun dun, I ended up painting this as the accent wall and added some beautiful floating shells that are just so fun to decorate. So this is an overview of what I did. I decided my focal point could be like my desk area because that'll give me inspiration, as well as it's not going to affect the plants negatively in any way. And I did decide to do just a half wall, and I really like the look of the border. I actually got this MDF board from Home Depot, cut it to size, and just put it on the wall with a nail gun. I didn't end up putting any glue on it because I just don't think it needs it. And then I just painted it green, and the top is painted white. I got these long shelves from Ikea. They're the LACK. However, they did not have the wood in stock, and I didn't want to keep waiting. And now I'm so glad that I did not get the wood, because the white just looks absolutely perfect because it looks so clean now. And these plants are getting a little bit of grow light from the side here. I was thinking to add one more, but they're also getting the grow light from the ceiling fan, so I'm not too concerned with it. It also does get some of the lighting from the window. So I do hope that the plants will do okay. However, I've tried to put more low light plants up there, and we'll see. I may have to take them out if, you know, it's not good enough. And then I don't know if you guys could tell my little error. I didn't finish doing a second coat of white paint up there, so don't judge me on that. I'm sorry, I'll have to touch it up soon. But yeah, I absolutely love these shelves. One thing about the Ikea LACK shelves is it comes with this extra screw at the bottom to help secure it. And I think that that really makes these plant shelves, since they're like floating shelves, more secure. I have had floating shelves before that are not this secure, and this is triple the size of any of my other floating shelves. So they're so nice. I think they would be beautiful in like a kitchen. They're super thick and very, very sturdy. Like some of these plants that I have on it are pretty heavy, so this is a very, very sturdy shelf, and I could fill it up even more if I wanted to. The brackets come with like 18 holes or something like that, so you can try to find a stud. I ended up finding a stud like on the left side of both of them, so they're definitely in a stud, and then I put some anchors on the right side, so it's very, very secure. Very easy to do as well. But yeah, I absolutely love the overall look. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of my like idea here. So basically this side of my room is complete. I did have my cabinet here that I moved to my living room, and I will be posting like a living room plant tour so you can see how I styled it there. But this is complete. My style is more of like a boho minimalist. So I feel like this is that. It's very boho, as well as not being too cluttered, because all I have is my desk on this wall. I'm not going to put anything on the sides of it, and I just really love it. I do want to find a way to clean up this area and make it look better. So I don't know if you guys have seen, but they actually have this black Vitro from Ikea in a shorter version, and I'm waiting for it to get in stock. Once it does, I'll put it here, and I think that's going to clean up this space a lot. And then I just need to figure out something to put on top of the couch. I do like to keep my grow light on because I use it a lot. Not grow light, it's ring light, because I use it a lot. And then this wall I'm just going to keep bare. I just have a little tapestry there. The door opens up into that, so I can't really put anything there. But yeah, I also need to organize the closet, so that's going to be another video. But let me know what you guys think of my plant room. I have a ton more space for plants now, and I really want to know your guys' opinion. So that's gonna be it for my plant room little makeover. I have a ton of these like in the vault of other rooms in my house, and I just want to know if you guys are interested in seeing that at all. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.